High Lunge. From Tadasana, step one leg back, front knee directly over the ankle. Back toes curled under. Back knee bent as much as needed, but not touching the floor. Bring shoulders over your hips. Inhale, place hands on your hips. Exhale, pull your abs in and lengthen your tailbone down. Keep a neutral pelvis and slowly see if you can straighten the back leg. Hold the pose and take 5 slow, full breaths. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place your palms on the floor beside your feet. Step your front foot back to come into high plank. Change sides.